Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Friday, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what's sold for us today.
All right, guys. So we are starting in box T today. Maybe. There. All right. So
I bumped into a bag.
these are some Sorel sandals. These I picked up. I don't remember if it was Goodwill or just a local thrift. I paid $8.99 for them. Sold them just now for $40. That was an offer someone sent me. I think I had them listed at like $59, so I was happy to accept $40. Those sold within like the first week. I just listed those. I do have a couple already here on the table because I had to make sure they fit in their padded flat rate before I printed the label. But yeah, these first ones you'll see on the screen, they're just some Asics like volleyball shoes. So a year, maybe close to 2 years ago now, these used to sell really well for me, around like $40 shipped, like either 30 plus ship or 40 free ship. But these have been sitting well over a year at this point, and yeah, just finally sold for $25.76 free shipping. Because I keep dropping the price because I just want to move them at this point. And I had originally bought those for $6.99 and shipping cost $7.76. So I think I barely doubled my money. Like I think I made like $6 and like 80 something cents profit. Yeah. So not worth it. I'll probably stop picking up those specific type of A6, but there are others that I still like to pick up.
And don't be afraid to put shoes in padded flat rates or even poly mailers. Sometimes
this person lived in Virginia, so if I could not fit them in there, that would have cost me $10.68 to ship to them. So
I mean, we probably ship 20% of our shoes in poly in padded flat rates.
Over a pound, the first thing is, does it fit in there? If not, then go to the next. Unless they live close. Like if they live in Colorado, Nevada, somewhere close, it's almost cheaper to put it in just a box. But
point being, we have shipped many shoes in padded flat rates and have not once received bad words from the buyers. So I mean, if they were like $200 shoes, maybe splurge on the shipping, but yeah.
So these are just some Blowfish sandals, which if you know this brand, it's fairly common and doesn't cost a lot to begin with, but I usually pick it up if I can find it for under $5. So these ones I got for $4.29. They usually sell around 20 plus shipping, but most of them are like under a pound, so first class shipping. So these ones sold for $17.16 plus shipping. So buyers all in around $25, and if I can profit over $10, I'm happy. So I definitely did there. All right, CE. Still a mess in here.
Yeah.
One day.
It's always a mess. That means we're working.
Yeah. It's the same mess that's been there the whole week, though. All right, these are just some Skechers wedges. These I did pay $6.99 for. Sold them on Mercari. Yeah, Mercari. For $20 plus shipping. Alright, and then this next sale is going to a viewer. Right here because I just listed them late last night. So these are going out to Cassie. She actually bought another pair of jeans from us a while back, but I didn't realize she was a viewer when when we did the video, and I didn't get to give her a shout out. So Cassie, thank you so much. She grabbed the Ariat jeans that I found after jury duty. So yeah, I had paid up for these at $12.99 because I think I heard Nicole state saying that for some reason women's Ariat jeans were going for a good amount. And when I did look up comps, they were going between like $50 to $60 new with tag anyways. So, and these were new with tag. I priced mine at Posh at $65 just because, you always expect offers and stuff. So woke up to her offering me $45, which I thought was super fair. She also had to pay the Poshmark shipping and taxes. So she's all in probably close to $55, if not a little more. So thank you so much, Cassie. I hope those fit you great.
Yes. Thank you so much for the support, Cassie. Hope you enjoy your new jeans.
Yes. All right. And then sold these Dance Goes on Facebook Marketplace for $30 plus shipping. I did pay up for these at $12.99. I mean, that's not super up for Dance Goes, but I almost regretted buying these when I got them home. They're just a little more worn than I like, so that's why I priced them at $30. Normally I would do $40 to $50 for Dance Goes, but yeah, these ones were just a little, I mean, there's nothing wrong with them, just more worn than I generally pick up, especially for $12.99. But they were fast sale at $30, so I'm more than doubling my money. I'm happy with that. Uh-oh, I did not write what, oh, that's another one that I already packaged up. I was like, I didn't write where it was. So yeah, this, you'll see the screenshot on the screen, but this is the brand Charlie Page, which I've never heard of before. The only reason I grabbed this was at the 99-cent sweater day. But technically I have $1.49 into it because I bundled it, like I did a average cost of goods with a full price item that day. So $1.49, it's been sitting a while, so I sent an offer of $17 free shipping and someone accepted. So you can see the shipping $7.76 there, so I think I profited like $5 again. Not a great pickup.
Yeah.
I bought it mostly because it was like that super soft material like Barefoot Dreams. So I thought maybe it would sell for $20 to $25, but it did not.
Not every gamble pays off.
Learn, yeah. AG.
What do you think, Reese? You just gonna sleep there?
Alright, so I sold these Under Armour sneakers for $23 with discount shipping on Poshmark. I have $5.69 into them. I've had people sending me really low offers on these, and on Facebook just yesterday, right before they sold on Posh, someone said, would I take 10 for them on Facebook? So obviously I responded no. I actually responded that time because I just thought that was such like, I think they were listed at 20 on Facebook, you know what I mean? Like a little bit less, which was already like kind of a good deal. I might have done like 15, but
yeah,
if you're gonna start at half off, I'm probably gonna say no. So yeah. $5.69 into $23 with discount shipping. I think I just profited about $10, but I am happy with that. That was a buyer who actually asked me, like I must have sent her an offer a week or so ago, and she asked me if I could resend because she was ready to buy. So that was nice. I love when people do that. All right, and then another item that's not bagged yet because I just listed it. It's that Torrid embroidered tank top. I got this after jury duty for $3.99 at Goodwill. Sold it for $20 plus shipping on Facebook, although the buyer did get free shipping. So me and Chris were kind of thinking, well, mainly Chris was thinking, he thinks like people, maybe every single buddy gets like one coupon for free shipping, which kind of makes sense now. That's
what I'm thinking, yeah.
So like I did actually buy something yesterday, and then as soon as I bought something, nothing was showing free shipping anymore. So it does make sense. So yeah, if you, well, I don't know when this video goes up. I think it's only through 4th of July.
Yeah, this might be going up after that promotion.
Yeah, if it's not 4th of July yet, go see if you have a free coupon. You probably at least get one item with free shipping. But yeah, if every single person bought one thing with free shipping, I mean, that'd be a lot of sales to go around. So
yeah.
I'm probably going to use Chris's phone to buy something else with free shipping, yeah. So yeah.
Well, what if I have already done it? You don't know that.
You have it. Anyways, I said that because that person did end up, I saw that they got free shipping, but it doesn't come out of your payout, so.
Right.
Same with these Hunter boots. They sold for $20 plus ship, but again, buyer got free ship. So yeah, those are just my son's. They're in really bad shape. I mean, they're perfectly fine wearable, but they're missing the insoles. They have stains all over them, so. Normally I get around 30 for Hunters, so 20 with all that flaws I'm happy with. I probably bought them for 30 originally, so. Right, and then this is another viewer/friend sale. This is going out to Destiny. Kiki Pants blanket she saw in our recent haul. Reached out and asked if it was still available, which it was, because I haven't listed almost any of the stuff I showed you
the hauls
yet.
lately. Yeah.
So, yeah. She is actually due very soon, so this will be great for her new little babe, which we don't know if it's a boy or a girl.
Oh, is she waiting?
Yeah, I wish I would have done that.
That's crazy.
That's cool.
You wish you would have done that?
I mean, I don't think I could have because I just need to know right now. But it's like the coolest surprise you could ever have. Anyways, so this, yeah, I offered it to her for $18 free ship. I have $2.99 into it. I wanted to profit about $10.
Okay.
So I did. We went through PayPal. So if you don't know how that works, you can just send an invoice. They charge you a 3%, I think, plus maybe like 3.2%. I don't know exactly anymore. I used to do a lot of buy sell trade, but I don't so much. But yeah, and then plus 30 cents. So yeah. I think on an $18 charge, it was like an 80-something cent fee, and then you can ship right through PayPal. So it's super easy.
Destiny, thank you so much for the support, and we're excited to see what your baby is.
And their name and just their picture.
Yeah.
All right, and last sale's also a viewer sale, so lots of viewer sales today. Thank you, everyone. This is going out to Remy. And yeah, so this was I think I found this in my first bins haul that was like part of the stimulus check challenge, so all the way back in January pretty much. But I kind of didn't expect it to sell till closer to Halloween.
Right.
So,
Halloween themed.
I have $1.27 into it because I've had it so long. It hasn't been selling. I recently changed the price to $20 free ship. We had a sale running, so Remy paid $17.16 free shipping. Thankfully, she just lives in Las Vegas, so shipping only costs $8 for this. And yeah, so I think I'm profiting around $5, which I'm perfectly happy to do. So Remy, thank you so much. I hope you make some really cool cookies with this. I thought about keeping it, but
if you're on Instagram and you do plan on using it, definitely send us some results. That'd be funny.
Yeah.
Or fun. Not funny, but fun. But all right, Remy, thank you so much for the support. Hope you enjoy it. But yeah, we're going to get this stuff all packed up. We are kind of running close to the post office closing, so we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got that all packed up. And we did have one more sale come in, and we are cutting it really close to the cutoff time. I mean, worst case scenario, we just have to drive a little bit more in town, but we did have one sale.
All right.
And it was
these Starbucks tumblers. They're just like from 2019, like the holiday collection. So I actually got these. Instagram friend named, I don't even know her real name. She always says her name is V on her thing. I think her name is Victoria, but I'm not exactly
That's just
sure.
a guess.
Yeah, her name is Tell Your Friends Sportswear on Instagram.
Okay.
You've all probably seen her, but she was buying a house, so she was doing like these mystery, not so mystery because I knew exactly everything that I was getting in the box. So she was just trying to like get rid of stuff she wasn't using in her home. So yeah, I bought a box from her. I kept a few things out of it and selling the rest to kind of recoup what I spent to her.
Yeah.
So I think I paid $25 for the box, but plus Poshmark shipping and fees, so probably around $35. This is the first item I'm selling from it. Sold it for $11 plus shipping on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm getting back about $10 of what I spent on that box. And honestly, I'm not expecting to make money off the box. I was hoping to support her, and I did. She had some Lady Gaga Oreos in there, stuff that we ate. So
we threw down on those.
Yeah.
Those were
So yeah, I kept a couple things that I would have paid for anyways, you know what I mean? So this, and then there was a nice North Face in there that will probably sell and get me the rest of the money back.
Right.
And that'll be it. So yeah, making $10 off these. And yeah, that's
and those are just good. Oh.
Well, I was gonna say before we started the thing, when I was talking about, I felt like I was staring into space because Remy's cake pan that she bought. I remember she wrote a note. I was trying to like think about what she said. She said throw in some business cards if we have them, but we don't have any. Like that's one thing we just don't have. We've been thinking about doing like some sort of sticker or something. So
yeah.
Again, when the kids go to school, we'll have time to just sit and breathe and think about things other than just list.
Right.
So, yes, hopefully coming soon will be stickers, but for now, I'm sorry I don't have any. But I put your thing in the prettiest mailer that one of my favorites, so hopefully.
But yeah, that is one thing that we have talked about basically since we started YouTube. Getting branding and all this kind of stuff. We're just not that good at it. Like, we're not very artistic. So it's going to take a lot of work that, a lot of time to dedicate towards that we don't really have at this time. But we do plan on doing it. And we just don't know where to begin with that kind of stuff. But stickers and, maybe some kind of merch. I don't know, something. If you guys have any ideas, or maybe you guys are artists, let us know. Maybe we can work together. But that is just not our wheelhouse. We are completely oblivious to that kind of stuff. But we do know we would like to do it and get it for you guys. Anyway, I think that's it. Kathy's already packing that mug set up, and we're going to get this stuff off to the post office. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And thank you so much for all the viewer sales. That was a really nice day from viewers. So thank you so much, guys. We really do appreciate it. And we're going to see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.